you see this life for the things we say they happen it can't be like we no need to trust anybody. We no need to trust anybody at all. That anybody can be your family member. It's just now God even they save us because sometimes who you least expect say go harm you. Now go be the person who say go harm you. Now just God we just they pray for because our life there for him. Anyways, if the first time we see they come my channel be this, I beg me you subscribe to my channel, me you turn on your bell sign so that anytime we say I tell upload new video, now you could be the very first person we say go know say I don't see upload video. And if you be say you be my returning subscribers, thank you very much. I really appreciate and God bless you. This man, his name na Ogbonna. He don't live for US for many years. Gather all the money we say if he gather, walk inside rain, walk inside sun. Anyhow, if he say gather the money, come gather the money. With the mind of say he go take go Nigeria, take go invest. So you know, because of the things we be say they use actually they see now concerning people who be say they did for Yankee, if they go Nigeria, they will be say their life they end up in the one will be say it not they pleasing at all. If not be kidnapping, it go be armed robbery. If not be armed robbery, it go be this, it go be that. So this man finally decide say he go like maybe say he get bodyguard. And of a serious note, not be bad thing. You understand? So as he come reach Nigeria now, God come bless this man, come begin to do the business. So we say one do the business come be gas business, as it is see like petroleum business. He can go into all those kind of a business. So for the community, we be saying they for the business, so we say yeah, if open the business, it can't us, they can't go meet their vigilante saying need security guard. So they can finally give us security guard. They can't pay this security guard so with big money. They say if you see for you, we say this chooks. When be security guard so and this your guy will say be your bonus so if you see you be say two of them for they stand they for stand together you will hardly believe and say choose na bodyguard say he take Ogbonna take choose like 5 and 6 like in your blood brother any you will be say Ogbonna they go you they carry choose the follow body if you for eat for restaurants for the same place we say for eat they carry choose they carry eat for the same place. For the same plates, you for see buy cloth for your body safe, you go see buy give choose. So this gonna go well for them, you understand? They say, but this Ogbonna so he can't they surprise say for you ever say choose for they do bodyguard for a place of work too. Now every time you come they see so strange people. Now this choose they carry come the place. He can all the time you can they quarrel with us say come choose. This only see they do so. I don't like him. This place na place of work, not be place won't be say they carry people. They come fine if you want carry people come now weekend or the time say you day free now for your house or any place when you say you know say you for carry the people go. He says so the choose to say yes in here or no verse say but every time you want on the first time choose repeat the same thing second time you repeat the same thing anytime we be say or not take day for around choose go they hide they carry friend they come the place of work. So one day unexpectedly now oga come so oga come see the choose now when we say it say now they carry friends come again come see choose and friend for the place of work. Now I come test choose say choose so I don't understand you as I carry you rich as a brother carry you rich as a friend I won't employ you safe they give you money things will be say I thought say I don't want and the same thing that you dey like maybe say they do all the time. Choose as the matter come be like this so make you know your worry yourself. Make you carry the money when I don't pay you for this month. So when we be say month never end, carry and they go. I don't want your service again for my body. I don't want your service again for my company. Say now choose you begin the para. How dare you go talk say make I carry my matter, make I carry my body they go. How dare you? And because say you come for abroad, and because say you employ me for work, and because say waiting up, which kind of see finish be that on a normal ground? Who you be when you go tell me say you don't want me for work again? Say so just choose so take connive with that friend who me say oga come meet two of them now for place of work. They all carry this oga, they all delete them instantly. Imagine the same gun when we say choose. They carry to take protect oga. Now that same gun and they can use to take delete oga. Tell me who we go trust now for this life? Imagine this same oga so he get family for Nigeria but he decide say as he save him money finish he won't come make it come invest by himself, because you know, it's not be today with the year story that touches the heart. Don't be say you go give money to family member or you give money to a friend, they go squander your money, they go even deal with you self. If care is not even take it, they go even delete you dress self. But who knows whether that kind of a story so now or guy here when we say come decide say one come Nigeria come invest by himself. How come he can't be saying the same wetin be say maybe he avoid say no one use eye take see, or wetin he avoid when we say no one say he happen to run. Now the same person when we say he can employ making the save am, na come person say come delete am. This life things dey happen. People just dey wicked. People dey wicked. Just imagine now as this man now open this place of work, so shey he give employment to choose. Now so other people see they work for this man company. When we say he still give employment to. Now when we say oh God don't go now, who will be the person who can pay those people? Who will come be the person who can put food for those people table? Make I do the business. If the business don't dey boom, my wife you come with the children. I'm not coming for Nigeria. Tell me now, if Ogbonna now pikin, when we say day for America, can't use here 10 years now say see wetin happen to papa. Wetin go be the thing we say go talk. Say him papa come up for the country when we say give am daily bread. Make it go the home when we say he get. See wetin can happen to papa. You just tell me which kind of thing be this? Wetin we not go use year till year for this life when we say we dey so. Imagine now, choose wetin make am be say this choose now delete oga so now because of Toyota Venza. As he and his friends delete oga finish, choose come carry motor. They come if you even see the grave, when we say they will put this oga put self in the grave, they don't even dig the grave deep at all. All the way from Abia, he can't drive motor go Port Harcourt. Now for Port Harcourt, when we say for one for go sell the motor, now they come police come take arrest the bodyguard. What do we not go see for this life? We say Nigeria government not good, the society not good, work in no day. Tell me now, work now choose not see not to take work. When we say this kind of a bad intention, bad heart, they would say take delete organ when we see they put food for your table. Now the Nigeria system now cause this one now for this choose body. Greed. How this small boy, how me go to do oga follow this small boy? If you say you can't go abroad, don't call. Now be the first person who say they go abroad when we say you can't employ me as bodyguard. Greed. You don't want work. May they take achieve. They want get on once. If you use the later now, if you say this is Toyota Venza, if you use take buy house, you go use and take spend down, you go use and take flex, you go use and take post for social media. Greed. You no want work. You want collect or go home by cook or by hook or by brook. However it may be, overnight you must to succeed. Wetin be this greed of a thing? Family pressure. See dead here. You go see family will be say your mama or the person mama go they compare. You go just say they go there. Not be your younger brother, or not be so your cousin, or not be your friend, not being get that house. So you they me they follow the chop about, or they maybe say your life they waste for there. Family pressure. You get friend they post they post for social media, but nobody they ever they care. Waiting those people they do to make a living when they get all those things they get. So until they buy all those things they buy, nobody they ever they care, nobody they ever they ask them. Family go they pressure you say now your mate now go abroad under 1 year don't build 20 house for Nigeria. Now your mate now go abroad under 1 year. They don't carry out their family member, including goats, including fowl, all of them enter Europe. You day here, they follow us, they drink garri, or you day and I come money, I go ask you, you know, go see money give me, you day here, they follow me, they shine it. So family see they won't be say if the younger one get money past the senior one, that younger one so will come be the senior for the house. The senior one will come be the last born for the house. They go use the senior one as rag to take clean house. Jealousy, you get a bit, that one will say you get almost to collect them for your hands. She see that house, you say you get so I must to collect them for your hand. You say you want to open business, Abi. All that thing again, we say I like me say I beg you know, my brothers and sisters I beg. Especially you will be say they for abroad. And even you too be say they for Nigeria I beg. If you they go back to Nigeria, I beg. I use God to beg you. carry yourself low. Calm yourself down. You no need to do anything gra or anything like say me they know say yes, say I don't arrive. You don't need to impress anybody. If possible, wear a local and slippers. They waka like person who be say no even get sense. Make them laugh you. Make you see head, they do what you say you want to do. Make you for see take come back. All these people won't be say they will buy motor. They go they use until they do, we get as they do me, pepper them, bolande, pepper them. So they play music for inside motor. Though they do, you have to do hip hop, like they go party, they flex, they spend money anyhow most of the time. If you they do all this kind of things, so my dear, you don't know whether the same friend who me say they flex all these things with so now that same friend that one connive to do you one. You don't know whether the same family when you they try to impress so and that same family one connive to do you one. I beg. Mind the clothes when we say you they wear. You see one thing, people will say they for abroad like this, so like this one wants me use US, so I don't like you now €5 now I take buy for street markets. As I hear like this, so it fine, it fits me well. Some people they will say they will there for Europe, though they buy cheaper Chico clothes, but if they go Nigeria, they want put designers. They want wear the latest of the latest when we say they for Nigeria. They want tell they say yes, say they don't show, say they don't arrive. I beg. More we try, more we carry our head down. You see some we say don't say if they never buy the latest motor, they not go arrive Nigeria. If they never drive reach the expensive hotel we say they for Nigeria, they not go ever say they arrive Nigeria. They want me say they prove to them say yes. I know say you look down on me, but me I don't make am. You just tell me now so now, Adibe he carry he head go down. Say you know. They do all this kind of designer sense. They buy expensive car, Toyota Venza. You sure say this boy now life will go. For all this matter, we say they happen. So say you there for abroad. You like me say if you go Nigeria, you like me you carry bodyguard. Bodyguard won't say the guardian. Anyways, for me, what me see be saying now God now be the highest and the ultimate bodyguard. Person will be say he deal with God and the protection will be say he deal with him. The protection, if they carry out the bodyguard, will say they for Nigeria self, you not rich at all. Now God then they protect us. Anything we see you feel for this video, make you leave up for the comment section below and make you subscribe, share this video as well until I see you for my next video.